Summertime is a great time to refresh your wardrobe. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing 3 shirts with summer in mind. I'm going to be talking about cotton products and also polyester products. And these are products that you can design and get shipped through Gelato. So I'll be showcasing Gelato in this video. This video is sponsored by Gelato. Let's jump in and check out some cool summer products courtesy of Gelato. Now, if you've never heard of Gelato before, Gelato is what's known as a print-on-demand supplier. And what this means is that you can list products on your own website or you can list products on Etsy. And when a customer buys that product, you don't actually have to print and ship the product. Gelato will take care of it. They will print and ship the product. Here we can see on the Gelato website, there's a product catalog over on the left-hand side. And I'm going to show you in this video 3 t-shirts, but there's so much more than just t-shirts here. There's all sorts of men's clothing. There's some great looking women's clothing as well. And there's a lot of miscellaneous items as well, like stationery, mugs and bottles, phone cases, and tons more. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can design your own products right in Gelato or using other tools as well. So let's have some fun and make 3 t-shirts, and then I'll show you in this video what they look like in real life as well. Okay, the first one we're going to take a look at is the unisex heavyweight crewneck t-shirt. And this is called Comfort Colors. That's the brand C1717. We can see here, there's a ton of different colors. I really like the little mock-up feature. You can pick your color, and then you can instantly see the nice gentleman here, what it would look like on a real human being. There's also different sizes as well. It goes all the way up to 4XL. I'm going to be doing the printing, and I'm going to be doing direct to garment, which is like a screen printing on the front of the shirt. Now for summertime, I'm picking an orchid color. So that's the orchid color, and it even gives you the hex color as well. So you can match if you're using Photoshop or Affinity Photo. I'm going to pick my size. So I'm going to go 2XL, and I'll click Create Order down at the bottom. Now from here, I can add my design to the front. There's also options that you can add your design on the back, on the inner neck, even on the sleeves. But for simplicity's sake in this video, I'm just going to add the design right here on the front. So I've gone into Photoshop and I've created a design based on a public domain comic book cover. I'm a big comic book fan. I love this Wow Comics comic book cover. And I've stripped out the background on it so that it looks good on a t-shirt with any color. Now to upload your file into Gelato, on the left-hand side, there's a Files button. So I'm going to click on that. And once you've uploaded the photo, you can simply select it from the library here. So here's my picture right there. I'm going to click on it and we'll see now it gets added, and there it is. You can hold down the control button and the scroll wheel and you can scroll in and you can see what it would look like. You can also move it around if you want. You'll notice if I move too far out, it will crop the image. I can also make it smaller or larger, just like that. As I do this, it will give me the dots per inch over on the right-hand side. So the larger you make the image, the lower the dots per inch go. So here I'm going to just make it nice and fitting right there. Using my guideline, I can center it very easily. And just like that, I've got my t-shirt design set up. And then I can click here, Add to Order at the top right. Now it's important to note this t-shirt is cotton. And when I scroll down, you can read all about it. It says pre-shrunk and soft washed fabric. And you can see here in the description, it says fabrication 100% US grown ring spun cotton. So if you're selling cotton or if you're selling polyester or another type of garment, you want to make sure to list that if you're selling it on Etsy or your own website. People care not only about the design, but they care about the actual material that the t-shirt is made from. For the second t-shirt, I'm going to go with a polyester shirt instead. And we can see here, this one's called Unisex Performance Tee, and the brand is Sport Tech ST350. Again, there's a ton of different colors. And what I really like is that these are really bright. So you can really wow your audience with some really cool designs. You don't just have the standard white and black and gray shirts. I'm going to pick a really nice, cool color here, gold, for example. Now for this product, we're going to add the design right here. And I've used a slightly different method for this one. I've actually gone into ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to make me a picture of a cat playing a guitar. So I've added that to my library and I'm going to click the plus button. And we can see he pops up and he looks great. Now I like having a bit of a background as well. So I went into ChatGPT and I asked for some retro stripes. And I uploaded that into the library as well. And I'll simply click the plus button to add that in addition to the cat. We can see there it is. I'm going to make it nice and big. I'll move it right here. Now I don't want it in front of the cat. So what I'm going to do is on the left-hand side, I'm going to click the layers button and I can see there's 2 different layers and I can simply drag one underneath the other. Now I've got a shirt with a cat playing a guitar and a retro stripe in the background. I'm happy with the way this looks. I'll click add to order. For my third t-shirt, I'm actually going to stay with the polyester, and I'm actually going to stay with the same brand. But instead of the Sport Tech regular sleeves, I'm going to go with the long sleeves. So if you're doing running or working out where you want to have your longer sleeves, this is a great option as well. Slightly different colors than before. In this case, I'm going to go with iron gray. And that's going to get me a nice dark shirt. Again, you'll notice that the thumbnails will update in real time, which is really nice because it gives you an idea of what sort of shirt you're dealing with here on a real human being. That looks great. I'm going to select my 2XL, and then I'm going to select create order. Now for this shirt, I'm actually going to use Gelato itself to help make the design. So the first thing I did is I went into ChatGPT and I created a retro poster of Venice, but it didn't have any words on it. So when I upload it here to my library and I select the plus button, it looks great on my shirt, but you'll notice there's no words. So down below, I'm going to actually add in some words. So on the left-hand side, there's a text feature. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click this add text button. We can see now sample text pops up, and I can type in what I would like it to say. So for example, Venice, I click outside, and I can move this now down into the poster area. And I'm not wild about that font, and I'm not wild about that color. So I'm going to change both of those. The first thing I'm going to do here is change the font. So from Venice being Open Sans, I can actually scroll down and I can see a bunch of different fonts. So here I've selected Oswald. That's one of my favorites. Now you can also change the font color. This little font button right here, that's a font color. And I'm going to pick this gold color right there. So I'm very happy with the way that looks. You can make your own poster and with your own different fonts and font colors very easily. There's also graphics options inside of Gelato as well. So you can click the graphics tab, and then you can actually search for different graphics, and you can use their clip art in your designs as well. At any point, if you want to change the actual product, you can do so. So even though I've selected gray and 2XL, I can change that. So don't be afraid to brainstorm and see different styles, different sizes as you're creating it. You don't need to lock in until the very end. I'm happy with the way that looks, and I'll click add to order. Okay, so the order showed up in about 1 week, very quick turnaround time for print on demand. And let's check these out in person, 1 cotton and 2 polyester. First up is the men's heavyweight crew neck t-shirt. This is the Comfort Colors brand C1717. I love this color. It screams summer, and the print quality is fantastic. So especially for men, don't be afraid to go with a brightly colored shirt. This is a 100% cotton shirt. It's very soft. So don't be afraid to sell or order brightly colored shirts. You want to stand out from the crowd on sites like Etsy and sell goods that are not all the same run-of-the-mill shirts in big box stores. This is a heavy crew neck shirt and is definitely a high quality item. Next up is the unisex performance tee. This is the Sport Tech ST350. Now this is a polyester shirt, which means it is incredibly soft and it won't wrinkle at all. This shirt is fantastic if you're working out or if you're going for walks and you don't want moisture to stay in the shirt. So this feature is known as moisture wicking. Overall, I absolutely love this shirt. It is very lightweight and it looks fantastic. The third and final shirt we're going to look at is the Unisex Performance long sleeve t-shirt. This is the Sport Tech ST350 LS. So this is the polyester shirt with long sleeves. The dark color is so rich, it really looks and feels like a high-end shirt. I love the color. You can wear polyester shirts casually in addition to exercising. They don't hold moisture like cotton. So these types of shirts are especially popular in very warm climates if you're just walking around and just living your life even indoors. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I'll put a link in the video description below to Gelato. If you like what you see, check it out. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you do purchase the Gelato subscription or you purchase something through Gelato, I would receive a small commission. I use Gelato a lot, especially for high-end premium products. I find their printing, their shipping, and their actual physical goods are top shelf. Here's another video where you can have some fun in the world of print on demand.